Alright, y'all, welcome to today's recap. I hope y'all are doing well and staying blessed. If you guys are new here, my name is Jeremiah. I'm a day trader. I trade small cap stocks, momentum, and breakouts. I stream every single day, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I upload my recaps after every trading session, regardless of whether I'm red or green. If you guys have been following along, you guys know that I've been doing a one trade a day challenge, and today is day 9 of the challenge. Today is a green day, $1.73. If you can tell by the title, I rounded it up to $2. But anyways, let's jump right into this trade and see what happened here. So the trade was on GWAV. The float on this, I believe, was 2 million shares. Let me double check that real quick. My apologies. It was 700,000 or 800,000 shares. And so this thing starts to pull away here, or it pops up on the scanner, and you guys will see. Pops up to 671, and then very quickly we see how the level 2 switches up. So from not enough bids to not enough sellers on the ask. So we pop up to 774 there, and then we dip down to VWAP. So here, see the ask is get bought up. It dips down to 7. I could have taken an entry here. I saw green as it went back up to 7 right there. Then it goes all the way to 750. Dips down a little bit, but I still would have been in the green if I got around 7. Yeah. So I got in way higher than I could have gotten in, but pops up there. 50 cents, but I don't get filled. The trade was the first candle to make a new high on the 10-second chart. And so I took profit on that second pop right there. I sold half and then sold another half. I'm not gonna lie, I fumbled my hotkeys. I didn't mean to sell half. It's supposed to be one entry and one exit. So that's I'm lucky I got out green on both orders. But yeah, I could have gotten a better entry, but in this challenge, I'm trying to focus on just pullbacks and pullbacks and dips. Not even dips. I'm not even doing dip trades. I'm just doing pullbacks and bull flags. Pullbacks and bull flags. So that was the trade for today. Not the cleanest trade of all time, but it's green nonetheless. So let's go back here and look. It goes down to 7. I'm thinking of taking entry there, but I don't because it's just not the trade I take during this challenge. So it is what it is. I honestly don't know how I got filled so high. So let's look. I pressed my order right there, right? Okay, of course the ask is at 88 now, but okay. So very few people got filled as high as me. It says the high is 72, but I got filled at 74. Interesting. In any case, that was the one trade. It's good to see volume, especially on a Friday. I was not expecting to see anything move, but I think we did have a couple other nice moves today. This ended up fading for the rest of the day, but we'll jump into the next stock here. So we also had VERO popping up. This has a 2 million share float. So flat top breakout there. I didn't think this had enough range, or maybe this did. No, this definitely did have enough range. Sorry. I just couldn't trade it anyways because obviously I'm taking one trade a day. I think today may be the last day of the one trade a day challenge. I'm overall green on the challenge, but I want to start going back to regular size because it has been more than 2 weeks in this challenge. So I want to go back to regular size and kind of get my rhythm back, so to speak. So yeah, VRO popped up. This one at the open went all the way to $10, which I did not get to see, but it does put in a decent move here. JFBR also popped up. Cheaper stock, but wasn't interested in it, or wouldn't have been interested in it. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for the stocks that we had moving. So it was JFBR, VERO, and uh, obviously the one I traded, what was it called? GWAV, GWAV. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my calendar for the challenge. Obviously, I had the break even day, this $2 red day, $1 red day, $1 green day, $2 red day. I'm kind of rounding. Okay, $2 green day, another $3 green day, and then $1 green day or $2 green day. So not bad, not bad at all. But could be better. This was a no trade day. I don't know why I decided to sleep in, but I did. This day I was sick. I forgot what these were. Sick. I was sick on Friday. Red day obviously, but overall, not a terrible, calendar. Could be better for sure. Um, but I've technically only had one red day this month, so um, I can live with that. But also only 4 real green days, and then a break even day, and then 2 or 3 red days. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed, and with that, I will see you all in the next one. Peace.